Hey guys, wagwan. I'm Shango, created from Jamaica. This is ETT. So today I'm talking about the electric spin scrubber. So the FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber is a device that you can use to clean your bathroom or other areas around your house. And without further ado, let's unbox it. This is a device that I use, well, not me, my girlfriend uses because she's the one who cleans the bathroom. And this simplifies the process of cleaning the bathroom because you no longer have to go on your knees and bend down to scrub certain area of the bathroom. It makes it much simpler because there's an extension rod for it, which gives you a little bit more reach, and you can just stand up or almost barely bend to scrub the bathroom. And it's a very useful device. As you can see, it's using battery powered, so you know for that scrubbing of area you wouldn't necessarily have to do any scrubbing because the spin does the scrubbing for you. It actually has 3 tips, so it has this roundish tip, it also have a flat tip, and it also have a more pointed tip, which allows you to use the tips in various areas. If you want to go into a corner, you might use the pointed tip. You know, the flat tip is more for the ground and for the walls and, you know, the glass and stuff like that. So it just depending on how you want to use it. You can also use it for your car to scrub your car wheels, and you can use it for a variety of stuff. I don't recommend using this on your car as it relates to, you know, the outside of your car, unless you're planning to put like a rag on it to just use the spinning power, but it's the rag you're using to wash the car. So it has many different functions, and it's up to you to determine how you want to use it. But as I said, I purchased this device to use it in my bathroom. It has been great so far. As I said, I'm not the one who uses it, but my girlfriend uses it, and I watch her when she's using it, and I can see that it makes a difference, because no longer does she have to go on her knees and use a small brush to scrub. You'll see how that looks in the video. But now she can simply just add the extension pole, and she can now just use it like putting it down on the ground or wherever and scrub the bathroom. So it saves a lot of time. As a matter of fact, with something like this, because you don't have to get the gloves and all that, you actually can use this on a daily basis to wash your bathroom. So if you use this every day, you probably don't even have to do a full washing of the bathroom or plan any day to do a full washing of the bathroom. All you have to do is just simply turn it on, throw a little soap in the bathroom each day after you're done bathe, and scrub the bathroom. So I think this is a very useful device to use, the FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber, and I would implore you to get one. Now, how you get one? It's on Amazon. There's a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, and if you use that link to make a purchase, it will give the channel a commission, but it won't cost you any more. We will really appreciate if you could use our link when we talk about a product to purchase it, because as I said, that helps to keep the channel going, help to put a little smalls in our pocket so we can continue making videos like this. And yeah, I really like the FRUITEAM Electric Spin Scrubber because, as I said, I can see where it simplifies the work for my girlfriend as it relates to cleaning the bathroom. Thanks for watching. I'm Shango, created from Jamaica. This is ETT. Blessings and God bless.